In this video, we'll show you how to create and manage IP allow lists in Qlik Cloud to restrict access and improve tenant security. To create an allow list, open the Administration Activity Center, then go to Settings, and open the tab IP Allow Lists. Click Create New to add a new allow list. Give it a clear name, for example, Corporate Network Access. In the IP addresses section, add one or more public IPv4 addresses or ranges. Remember, private ranges are not supported. Only public IPs can be used. To activate restrictions, click More and select Enable. Please note, to avoid being locked out, always make sure your own IP address is included in at least one allow list before enabling it. You have warning messages to advise you if this happens. So let's edit the allow list, and let's also add the current IP address. Once enabled, only users connecting from the listed IPs will have access to your Qlik Cloud tenant. All other connections are blocked. You can enable more than one allow list. Users will have access if their IP is listed in any enabled list. You can rename an allow list or add or remove IPs by selecting More and click Edit. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.